Hi, my name is Muhammad Razif bin Kamaruzaman.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Azam bin Nubari.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Dani Hakim bin Osha.
Hi, my name is Razik. Now I will walk you guys through case study 1 about compound interest. Okay, so let's look at the question. You are planning to open up an investment account with an initial investment of 1,000 ringgit for your son, who just turned 7 years old this year. You have shortlisted 2 international banks near you, and the information is shown below. Okay, so OIC Bank offers 5.05% compounded semi-annually, while FYI Bank offers 4.95% compounded quarterly. Okay, so for this question, we will be using two formulas, which is future value S equals to P, in bracket 1 plus K over M to the power of MT, and to calculate the interest earned, we will be using I equals to S minus P. Okay, so let's calculate for OIC Bank first. These are all the values given. Our initial investment is 1,000 ringgit for both bank, and our K rate is 0.0505, and our M is 2 because it is compounded semi-annually, and our T is 11 years. Okay, so we just plug in all the values in the formula, and we will get the accumulated value of 1,730 ringgit and 83 cents. Now to calculate the total interest earned, we will use the formula I equals to S minus P, and we will get 730 ringgit and 83 cents. Now let's evaluate FYI Bank. For the values given, our K is 0.0495 and our M is 4 because it is compounded quarterly, and our T is still the same, 11 years. So we just plug in all our values, and we will get the accumulated future value of 1,717 ringgit and 38 cents. Now to calculate the total interest earned, we will subtract by our initial investment 1,000 ringgit, and we will get 770 ringgit and 38 cents. Okay, now for question B, which bank should we choose to invest based on our answer in A and justify our answer? Okay, so for FYI Bank, they offer the interest return of 770 ringgit and 38 cents, while OIC Bank gives an interest return of 730 ringgit and 83 cents. So our answer will be, I recommend choosing OIC Bank. Even though FYI Bank compounds more frequently, OIC Bank's higher nominal rate provides a better return, yielding an additional 13 ringgit and 45 cents in interest. Okay, now for question C. After 3 years of investment, the bank changes the rate to 3.5% compounded every 2 months, and calculate the amount of investment when your son turns 18 years old together with total interest earned. Okay, we will be solving this in 2 phases. So our initial investment is 1,000 ringgit, our rate K is 0.0505, our M is 2, and our T is 3. So we just plug in all the values, and we'll get the total accumulated amount of 1,161 ringgit and 5 cents. Now this becomes our new principal for phase 2. So our new principal is 1,161 ringgit and 5 cents. Our new rate K has turned into 0.035, and our new compounding frequency is 6. Our remaining duration is 8 years left. So just plug in all the values, and we'll get the total accumulated amount of RM 1,535 and 63 cents. Then to get the total interest earned, we'll subtract it by our initial investment of 1,000 ringgit, and we'll get the total interest of 535 ringgit and 63 cents. That's all from me for case study 1. I will pass this to Alzam and Hakim for case study 2.
Question A. Which option should Encik Osman choose? First, for option 1, the amount invested is 2,200,000 ringgit with a monthly withdrawal of 10,000 ringgit. The interest rate is 0.6% and compounded monthly. We use the annuity formula. After the substituting all the value into the formula, we get N equal to 233.13 months. Next, we calculate the total accumulated amount and obtain. We get 2,471,956 ringgit and 23 cents. Now for option 2, Encik Osman receive RM 10,000 ringgit every month for 300 months. Using the simple formula, we get S equal RM 3 million ringgit. In conclusion, Encik Osman should choose option 2 because he can receive RM 10,000 ringgit monthly for an additional 5.57 years compared to option 1. Question B, calculate the monthly payment and interest charge. The cash price of the car is 55,000 ringgit and the down payment is 10%. First, calculate the down payment. DP equals 0.1 multiply 55,000 ringgit. We get DP is 5,500 ringgit. Next, calculate the loan amount. A equal 55,000 ringgit minus 5,500. We get A is RM 49,000 and 500 ringgit. Now we use the annuity formula to calculate the monthly payment, where A is 49,500, K is 0.0303, M is 12, N is 16. After the substituting all the value, we get R is RM 819 and 11 cent. Next, calculate the total interest charge using I equal NR minus A. We get I is 3,906 and 16 ringgit. Therefore, the monthly payment is 819 and 11 cents, and the total interest charge is 3,906 and 16 cents. Thank you.
For part C, the question asks us to determine the additional payment need if the loan is settled after 1 year and also the total interest paid. How much additional payment does have to make? Okay, so I use this formula to present value of annuity formula, which is R equal 890 ringgit and 11 cent. I equals 0.025 and N is equal 48. Next, I substitute all the value into the formula, and after calculating, I get A equal 40,189 ringgit and 93 cent. So the additional payment required to settle the loan after 1 year is 40,189 ringgit and 93 cent. Next, for C2, I need to find the total interest paid. For this part, I use the interest formula. This is formula. I equal NR minus A, where I is the total interest, N is the number of payment, R is the monthly payment, and A is the loan amount. Then I substitute the value into the formula. $12 multiplied by 890 ringgit and 11 cent equal 10,681 ringgit and 32 cent. After that, I subtract 9,310 ringgit and 7 cent. So the total interest paid is 1,371 ringgit and 25 cent. In conclusion, if the borrower settle the loan after 1 year, the additional payment required is 40,189 ringgit and 93 cent, and the total interest paid is 1,371 ringgit and 25 cent.